So let me go ahead and kick this off. I know we were a little bit late. If it wasn't for bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. Literally, I had a 4-hour window for my dishwasher to be arriving, and it literally got here about 7 minutes ago. And the electric also went out about 2 minutes before that. So, all good. You guys came here, you guys showed up, and I appreciate that. So, if you're just now joining in, go ahead and drop in the comments where you're from. Just want to make sure everybody's kind of rounded up here. All right, well, welcome, guys. Welcome. We are live at the Project Lien launch. Everybody, thanks for being here. You get the gold star for today, okay? Talking to you guys right now. This is my first live, so bear with me. We've got a good group going on here, and I'm going to keep the doors open while we jump into it. Is that all right with you guys? All right, cool. Let's get this party started right. First things first, I'm pretty down-to-earth dude. What you see is what you get. I am not here to pitch you for 30 minutes. That's not just my style, okay? My goal is for you to walk away feeling like you actually learned something legit. We're all here probably for tax deeds or liens for one reason or another. A lot of us are in the industry, you know, real estate going on. Maybe we have some beginners and pros. Whether you buy from me or not, I don't care, okay? I want to make sure you get something out of this. So as we move along, feel free to drop your questions in the chat. And if we've got time at the end, I'll be happy to stick around and answer as many as I can. And for y'all that don't know me or wondering who this funny guy in a cowboy hat is, my name is Jesse Jameson. First thing you'll find out about me is that I'm a total nerd and I love data. It's that old adage, people may lie, but numbers don't. I used to work for one of the world's largest banks as a data analyst. I watched how the banks made the rich get richer, and I didn't want to be living paycheck to paycheck for the rest of my life. So who does, right? I think a lot of y'all are in that position right now. So I got my MBA back in 2016, and I soaked up everything I could about real estate investing. I dabbled in just about every part of the industry, but ultimately ended up finding the small niche of tax lien and deed investing. So I've been doing that for over a decade now. I'm going to age myself. And I can honestly say it has changed my life in every possible way. So I'm a dad of twins, and I love living life to the fullest. I rescue way too many animals, including a two-legged cat that we have. But enough about me. All right, listen, I've got something big for you guys today, but I'm not dropping all the details just yet. First, I want to know, why are you here? Drop it in the comments. I'm going to take a minute, and I want to know why you guys are here, okay? All right, maybe you're interested in tax liens, tax deeds, looking to build a better life for you and your family, or just here for the Southern charm. Drop your answer in the chat. I want to know. So let's go ahead and check it out. And all right, I've got my dishwasher guys arriving. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Most of you have seen the recent launch of my tax deed mastermind group. I am beyond excited for everyone who jumped in. We've already had 2 incredible sessions, and the energy in the group is on fire. So with that said, we've actually reached max capacity. But don't worry, if you did miss out, I have something special coming your way. It's built for those of you who still want in on the action. And best of all, I've made it super accessible. So no matter where you're starting from, you've probably been seeing like a few of the breadcrumbs I've been leaving around. Some of y'all have been messaging me like, all right, Jesse, what is this thing? And let me just say, if you've ever wanted your money to work harder than you do, if you've been curious about tax liens, or if you've been sitting on the sidelines, wondering how to actually get started in investing without like a huge budget, this is what you've been waiting for. Now, let me ask you, how many of you have ever heard of tax liens or tax certificates before? Just raise your hand, drop it in the chats. I know that there's a few of you here that I've already worked with, and you guys are on a roll. So thanks for joining. I always get some little nuggets from these live chats here. So, okay, awesome. All right, we've got everyone from newbies to pros, and I love that. So let's be honest, what sounds better to you? 2% savings or like a guaranteed 18%? With a strategy most people never even heard of with this 18%, guys. Let me know in the chat if you've ever bought a tax lien, heard of tax liens, tax deeds, if you even know what the difference is, all right? So if y'all perked up for that 18%, you're gonna love what I've got coming. I'm about to launch a brand new challenge that's only happening once this year. And it's designed to get you in the game fast. Like checks in your mailbox kind of fast, all right? We're talking about the 18% interest. And even with the right strategy, even up to 60% annual yield. Yes, you heard that right. Raise your hand if you've ever heard someone say that you can make 60% annual yield off tax certificates before. That's what I thought. I promise you, these are government-backed returns secured by real investment. So there's no house flipping, no tenants, no headaches. But here's the deal, y'all. The full announcement doesn't go public until tomorrow, right? Right now, only you have the chance to get in early. And if you want first dibs, I'm giving VIP access exclusively. Make sure you hop on the wait list. I'm only giving it to the waitlist members, right? My VIP waitlist. It's going to be right after this live, so you'll be first to get the details. Y'all have us head start before everyone else, and I've got something lined up special for that. The first 50 who claim a seat, and no, I'm not telling you what that is. I don't want to ruin the surprise, right? I've got a very special surprise for the first 50 that sign up, and you are not going to want to miss this, okay? But you got to be on the list to find out. I can tell you it is cheaper than a steak dinner. So here's what to do. Go to floridataxinvestors.com/free VIP access. So drop me your email. Boom, you're done. Okay? I'm going to drop that link in the chat here. Oh, hey, Farouk. Look, we got some more coming in. Thank you, guys. Farouk, Paul, how you doing? All right, so I dropped that in the chat there. Guys, this is the one in an hour. Literally, I'm going to be dropping this to you guys. We're going live public in 24 hours. And I've packed so much into this that I'm practically giving it away for free. It's everything that a lot of people have been asking me for, right? So just be sure to join right now before the live is over. All right, so I think we're good. Guys, feel free to PM me. You can private message me anytime you want. If you have any questions, you just want to chat, see what's going on. Tomorrow, I'm revealing everything to the public, okay? But today, you've got a decision. Oh, hey, Jenna. Hey, Gina, what you doing? Gina's one of my previous partners, my joint venture partners that I've worked with on a lot of tax deed deals. So thanks for joining, Gina. So today, you've got a decision to make, guys. Be the one who gets in early. Be the one who doesn't miss out this year. This is your moment, okay? So let's make your money work smarter and start building something. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've got some great info out of it. And now go jump on that VIP wait list, and I'll see you all on the next one.